Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01440 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a user called C ## code which I already created. Now I am going to show you one table called person2. So person2 having name and age columns. Select start from person2 is having some values, that is having some records. So what I am going to do, I am going to decrease the precision of the age column. That is, currently age column having the number data type with size 3. Okay, I am going to modify to age with the number data type with size 2. Okay, from I am reducing the size from 3 to 2. Okay, you can see that ORA-01440 column to be modified must be empty to decrease the precision of scale. So because this issue is thrown because the table has some records. Okay, so we need to either empty the column or you can increase the precision. So if you want to decrease the precision means you need to empty the columns. Okay, so I am deleting the records. Now I am altering the table, decrease the precision. Okay, now I reduce the age column from size of the age column from 3 to 2. So this is the fix for this ORA-01440 issue.